Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Today we are going to share with you the rules of the NEET SS 2024 counseling, and the schedule is also published, which is much awaited, and we are expecting the final seat matrix to get published soon. The seat matrix is already available, which is proposed by the NMC on the official website of MCC. Okay, they have given it for the approval or kind of like cross verification from the colleges. Then final seat matrix will be published. If you are new here, please do subscribe the channel. The counseling uh, will begin on the 13th. Registration is going to start 13th to 18th is the registration for the first round, and from 14th till 18th you will able to do the choice filling. I'll explain you all the process, like what are the rules in the first round, second round, what is the meaning of a stray round. Last year we had mop-up round, how it is different or whether same. The first round result will be published on 21st of May. Okay. In case you are interested to take our paid counseling guidance services, so these are the packages. How you can access? You need to go to neetmentor.co.in and go to the package section. There you can access it. In case you just want information or just want information plus choice filling, then also we have a package with lesser cost, and you can go with that packages. For that you need to create a username password on the website, and then you can browse through all those things. It will be locked and then you have to purchase it. So first round result will be published on 21st of May, and the reporting will be till 26th of May. Before the second round, we may expect the cutoff to get revised. Okay, last year it happened, so before the second round they revised the cutoff from 50 percentile. It brought down up to 20 percentile, and before the third round, which was known as mop-up round, this year they called it a stray vacancy, stray round. Okay, but the meaning is one and the same. Round 1, round 2 and round 3 is very simple to simplify it. So round 2 registration will start from the 2nd of June, and it will go on until 8th of June. Choice filling starting from 3rd. Okay. So before the choice filling, the seat matrix will be published. 11th June is the date for the result for round 2, and 19th of June is the last date of reporting. Okay. Third round will start from 24th of June, and I'll tell you the session will be starting from 20th of June. Okay, those who didn't get the admission till second round, they need to process with a mop-up round, or you call it round 3. From 24th to 29th, result will be declared in the month of July 2nd, and 7th July is the last date of reporting. Okay, so that's how is the schedule. Next is seat matrix. When we get the seat matrix, I'll give you the detailed analysis comparison with the last year, how many seats incremented, branch wise, department wise, and in government, private, DRNB, and all sort of stuffs. Okay, now let's move to some important points related to the counseling rules. Okay, because I have been getting repeated questions, same question being asked by multiple candidates, so let me clarify all those things. When it comes to how many rounds, round 1, round 2 and round 3. Okay, so round 3 is going to happen now. It's declared already that round 3 is going to happen. 3 rounds are going to happen. Okay, so first step is registration. Before registration starts, you will have the seat matrix in your hand, so you can do kind of analysis like what sort of changes and what prediction you can make out of it in comparison with the last year, whether it's positive or negative shift. Then the choice filling will start. Choice filling is the most important step of the counseling, because that's where you are able to communicate with the system. It's automatic system generated allotment and system generated allotment of the seat, you can say. Okay, there is no manual intervention. There is no requirement for you to reach to any of the officials physically and pass the documents, nothing like that. Everything is automatic and online, but you need to make sure that you are filling the choices in the right order. because the computer doesn't understand that which college is better. They just understand what you have put, the sequence that you have put is the best one. Okay, the top one, even the top, on the top you see some of the candidate what mistake they make. On the top they keep some option which is most likely to get allotted on the particular rank. So usually what happens, they get the seat which they have put in the first option, and the system doesn't look upon other options below the first option. Okay, this is not the way to do the choice filling. You will always get the worst result if you do the choice filling in this way. You need to have kind of like prediction which must be 80% correct. Okay, and you should have kind of like order for the private institutes, government institutes, for DRNB institutes, that in which order you should arrange. In case you are very particular about particular state, then how to arrange it so that you should be getting the seat in your desired state. Okay, how to differentiate, because there are different type of institutes in the DRNB: private institutes, central institutes, autonomous institutes. Then you have some trust hospitals where those are also private, but the hands-on will be better than other corporate hospitals. You have railway hospitals, PSUs. So how to arrange all those things? Okay, it matters a lot, because that's where it matters. Otherwise, everyone is doing the more or less same procedure: registration, choice locking, like upgradation process. But the only different part is choice filling. Choice filling will be different for every candidate based on the rank, based on the desired branches, and all such stuffs. Okay, so what about deposit? How much money you should have in your hand when you're going for the counseling? Even you're going for the government colleges or DNV institutes, still you have 2 lakhs of deposit for everyone, whether you are going for private institute, deemed universities, private institutes, government institutes, or DNV institute. You must pay 2 lakhs of security deposit. Second thing is, not there is no free exit. It means there is no such round when you get the seat allotted and you wish, and then you decide not to join. In case you get the seat allotted by system generated allotment process, and then you decide that I don't want to join this seat due to any reason, then your 2 lakhs deposit that you are making at the time of registration will get forfeited. It means you are not having the right to get it refunded, because you made the mistake. You got the seat but you didn't join it. But you are eligible to participate in round 2. If you even you get the seat and don't join, you are still having the eligibility to participate in round 2, but you have to make the payment of 2 lakhs again. There is no registration required, just the making payment of 2 lakhs again is required. What about who are eligible for the round 2 and who are eligible for round 1? Those who are qualified as per the first list, means the percentile is more than 50 percentile, depending on the group, they are eligible for the first round. Those who are having 45 percentile, because there is no category here, so percentile and qualifying percentile is same for everyone. So those who are having less than 50 percentile, they need to wait for the cutoff revision. Okay, depending on the cutoff revision happening in the second round, if they qualify, they will be registering there again freshly, and the window will be open. Anytime you get the eligibility, the window will be open for the registration. Okay, it's not like one time registration. Those who missed to register in the first round, they are having the window to register in the second round. Again, you have to pay 2 lakhs freshly. So 2 lakhs security deposit, 5,000 is the registration fee, which is not refundable. Okay, and how this amount is getting adjusted? It won't be adjusted in your tuition fee. The 2 lakhs amount is refundable. It's not adjustable in the tuition fee. Suppose you are getting government college, you are saying that my fee is less than 2 lakhs. So will they deduct fee from college fee from the deposited amount? No. You have to pay it again to the institute, and this 2 lakhs will be refunded in your account where you made the payment from. If you made the payment from credit card, debit card, or internet banking, the same mode into the same account, it will get refunded automatically. Okay, there are certain emails and contact points. In case it doesn't get refunded on time, you can contact them. That's a different story. Okay, so after cutoff revision, those who are getting qualified freshly, they are having the rights to do the registration again. Okay, there is no NRA quota, there is no reservation, there is no state level counseling except those who are from Tamil Nadu and they are in service candidates. 50% seats of Tamil Nadu in service seats, the counseling is getting conducted at the Tamil Nadu state level. Otherwise, there is no any other state level counseling. Totally 3 rounds will be there. Centralized process on mcc.neet.in website, and there is no free exit. Registration, you and who are eligible in the stray round. This time they called stray round, which was known as mop-up round earlier. So those who didn't get the seat until round 2, they are eligible for mop-up round. So you made the registration in the first round, the same registration will continue in this round 2, and if you have the eligibility in mop-up round or the third round, the same registration will continue in the third round. Okay, if you get the seat but not join, you can do the payment of 2 lakhs again in the second round. In the second round also, you get the seat but don't join, you can make the payment in the third round. So upgradation. Okay, so if you have joined the seat, then you are not able to participate in the third round. Any moment you have joined the seat, you are not able to upgrade up to third round. So upgradation will be applicable up to second round. If you have not joined the seat, then you can go for the third round. Okay, these are sort of rules. In case I missed any rule, then you can comment us in the comment section of the video. Okay, I'll make sure that I answer your queries with sort of proof and document. Okay, and again, if you are looking for any kind of paid assistance, this is the number 9319128677. You can ring us or you can send us WhatsApp messages. You can join our WhatsApp group. Okay, I didn't create the group on Telegram because the candidates are not that huge. Okay, so it can be handled on WhatsApp. So already we have a WhatsApp group. I'll give the link in the description of the video, or I'll give the link in the comment section. I'll pin it. You can join that group, which will be very helpful for you. So that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.